Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's grab the web. I'm Asad Ali, and today I will tell you how you can connect your Selenium WebDriver with Jupyter Notebook so that you don't need to execute the whole script to see if there are bugs in your code. So let's start. What you need, first of all, what you need is that you need Selenium installed in your either if you're using MacBook or you're using Windows, process pretty same. Just open your terminal and pip install Selenium, and it will download and install Selenium in your computer. So, and also Jupyter Notebook, if you haven't installed Jupyter Notebook in your computer, you can download and install that. And if you are using Windows, I have one video that I will add in video description. You can just go and watch how to install Jupyter Notebook in your computer, Windows computer. And once you install that, you will have a terminal just like this one. That is Anaconda terminal, I guess. So you just do the same thing there. And if you have Anaconda, if you have MacBook, then you can just type Jupyter Notebook. So see, I'm just typing Jupyter Notebook in my terminal because Jupyter Notebook is installed in my MacBook. And if you are using Anaconda Navigator, you need to open your Anaconda terminal, and in that you have to type Jupyter Notebook, and it will open Jupyter Notebook in your localhost. Okay, so if you have any question regarding that, just ask in comment. I will answer. I hope that makes sense. Okay, let's press enter, and you will see that in that same terminal it has started your notebook on localhost. If it opens, it should open, but if it doesn't, just see that here you have a link, and just select that, copy that, and open in your paste that here, and it will open the Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so next thing is you need to navigate wherever you want your code to be. In my case, I will just go to tutorials folder, and I will create new Python file here. Just click on new and click on Python 3. Now I have my notebook ready for use. So if now that your Selenium installed, just import that from Selenium, import WebDriver. Just run that, and it will save in your Python kernel. Okay, now next thing is that launching your WebDriver. So I have two things. I use Firefox Gecko driver, and you can use Chrome driver. If you have Chrome installed, simply go to their official website and download Chrome WebDriver. Let me quickly show you. Download Chrome driver. Okay, just click on that Chrome driver. This is their official website. Now go to the version you have. To check that, just click on these three dots, go to help, and click on about Chrome, Google Chrome. It will automatically start updating if it's not latest. So in my case, it's 103.0, which is the latest one. So if I want to download Chrome driver, I can simply click on this one, and it will ask me to choose which operating system I have. So in my case, I have Mac. So if you have Windows, just click on this Win32. It is same for Win32 and 64 as well. So it should just work fine for both. Okay, now since you will have Chrome, once you download that, just unzip it and copy that to the same folder where you are where you have your script. Okay, so as I said, I am in tutorials folder, which means that in my projects folder, I opened my tutorial folder, and I need to download and unzip my WebDriver here. The reason I'm saying this is because whenever you launch your driver, let me show you. Driver equals to WebDriver.Chrome. In case of Chrome, when you do that, it will launch a Chrome window. Okay, so if you don't have WebDriver in the same directory, you will have to add the path here. Okay, path is simply the path of that WebDriver. So you can do this if you want to keep single WebDriver file for all the Python codes, but if you are just testing, you can keep WebDriver file in the same directory where you have your code. Okay, so both things work fine in my case. And the third thing is you can add that path in your default directory, default path. Okay, in my case, I have added that, so I don't need to keep the file in same directories, and also mention the path. So I'm using Eco driver, and that is the Firefox driver. So let me launch the driver here, and in your case, if you are using Chrome, just type Chrome and run, and it will launch a Chrome file. Let's wait a little bit and see if it loads a file. Okay, you can see that it has opened a new window for me, and it is Chrome window. So now I can get the link. See, let me show you why I am using Jupyter notebook at first place. See, okay, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this website. Okay, and where is that? I can get the link here, and the reason I'm using Jupyter notebook is because see, whenever you write a Selenium script, what you do is that you have to execute the whole script, and if there is bug, it will crash, and loading of your browser and closing that, it takes some time. So to avoid that, you need to do testing first, and then you can copy the whole code in your PyCharm or whatever IDE you are using, and then save and execute that the whole script. So it is really useful when you are testing the code, and I can just driver.get, and it will load the link, and I can do driver.find elements, and I can click on pagination, and I'll do all that stuff. If there is bug in the code, it will show me the bug, but this session will not close. So I can do the testing, all the testing I want, and it is really helpful. So if you have any question regarding adding your Chrome driver to path, or if you have any question related to Selenium, or ask a comment. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel.